Meaning of feeder.
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 Feeder. The term feeder can refer to a variety of objects or concepts depending on the context. In general, a feeder is something that provides nourishment or supplies materials for a particular process. For example, a bird feeder is a device used to dispense food to birds, while a power feeder is a piece of machinery used in woodworking to assist with material handling. In sports, a feeder team refers to a developmental team that prepares athletes for higher levels of competition. Ultimately, the meaning of feeder depends heavily on the specific application and context in which it is being used.